How to use MyMD Band in a medical emergency. Once you've identified that a person has a MyMD Band, you can gain access to their medical information by scanning the QR code on the face of the medical band. In order to scan and display the person's information, you will need a smartphone with a camera, an active internet connection, and a QR scanning app. The MyMD Band QR code is laser engraved on stainless steel, making it more durable and resistant to glare. For a successful scan, start the QR code reader application on your smartphone. Follow its instructions to scan the QR code on the buckle. Ensure that there is sufficient lighting. If necessary, use the phone's built-in flash. Center the image on the QR code as instructed by the scanning app. Avoid being too far or too close to the QR code. If needed, focus the camera on the QR code by tapping on the image. This will typically focus it. Upon a successful scan, your QR code reader app will usually inform you with a beep or vibration depending on your settings. Based on the scanning application settings, either your browser will automatically open displaying the MyMD Band page, or you may first be prompted if you want the application to browse the MyMD Band page. The first time you scan, you may receive a prompt stating that www.411.md would like to use your current location. Allowing geolocation will inform the MyMD Band owner and family the address where their MyMD Band was scanned, thus providing the owner with added security and the family with location information. The MyMD Band page will be displayed in your smartphone's interface language or English if your language is not yet supported. You will then be instructed to turn over the metal buckle to reveal the PIN number below. There are two numbers under the buckle, an 8-digit serial number and a 5-digit PIN code. Enter the 5-digit PIN code and press on the Go button. If the PIN code was entered incorrectly, you will receive an error message. Close this message, re-enter the PIN code and press the Go button. Once successfully authenticated, the patient's data will be displayed. Scroll down to make sure you see all of the data. If on the top of the screen appears the More Info button, then this means the patient has provided additional information that is only available when a private password is entered. The private password is to be obtained verbally from the patient. In order to view the additional information, press on the More Info button. You are now prompted to enter the private password. Enter it and click the View button. Now once again, scroll through the data. Additional or private information will now be displayed in red in the appropriate categories. Once you have finished viewing the data, click on Close. Please make sure to always close the page after viewing so that a person's data remains secure and viewable only by legally authorized personnel. If for some reason you are unable to scan the MyMD Band QR code, you can access the information by going directly to the website. Open your browser and browse to www.411.md. We suggest that you add it to your favorite sites. You will now be prompted to enter both the serial number and the PIN number under the buckle and follow the instructions as previously explained. All information viewed on MyMD Band medical file is screen captured and filed for legal reference and medical confidentiality. For more information, please visit us at mymdband.com.